After this spectacular video, I received some interesting information. And hello there. Let's see some comments. The laser lens are a big problem on PS2 and PS1. Lucky me. That was the worst piece of. Thank you. And thank you for subscribing. Cheers. It's just coffee. A car sketch polish can do it. Just a small amount used in a circular motion with a microphone. This idea is a very brilliant. Lucky for me, I just got a sander. But still, let's not exaggerate. I will use the polish cream and abrasive paper with 3000 and 5000 grit. Let the fun begin. I already regret it. Awful. Now let's put some cream. No dirty mind. It looks quite destroyed, but at least I tried. For some reason my camera on my phone is possessive. Damn. This is not look so good at all. And now, the moment of truth. Let's test. Not bad. Not bad at all. Anyway, this idea was very stupid. No way. No way. Let's turn the camera. No. That's again. Don't believe it. This is fine. How?
And everything's working great. Back, up, down, right. Let's keep that. Anyway, this is amazing. Now look at this. This all with, I made this with car polish.